Hey guys, Alan Prince with Axiom Fitness Academy here, and I wanted to talk to you about the top 3 ways to stand out in a big gym environment. So the first way to really stand out as a great trainer is to do different techniques. Don't keep your clients on the same boring machine path. Really mix in unique techniques. Mix in some kickboxing where you're holding focus mitts. Mix in some speed, agility, quickness work on the basketball courts if your gym has one. Maybe mix in some kettlebell work, some TRX suspension training stuff. Some things that really catch the attention of people that are maybe just doing their own workout, doing cardio by themselves. They see the energy from your workout, and the next thing that's gonna happen is they're gonna be asking to train with you specifically because they wanna do a fun, energetic workout versus the trainers that are just leading their clients around machine by machine. Number 2 thing you can do to stand out as a great trainer in your gym and get more clients is hold workshops and seminars for free on the weekends. Come up with simple topics, how to lose weight in 21 days, how to jumpstart a workout program. Something simple that is gonna appeal to the introductory client. That way they can come, get to know you, you're gonna build your expertise around that topic, and from there you're gonna get a lot more clients. The chances are that this is not happening in the gym right now, and most trainers will stray from this as they feel maybe not confident and not comfortable with talking about different subjects. But I promise you, the more you do this one, the better you're gonna get at it, and you're gonna get a lot more clients because of it. And the number 3 thing you can do to really stand out as a great trainer and get more clients at your big gym is to teach group exercise. I can't emphasize this one enough. Number 1, it's gonna make you a better trainer. Bottom line, you're gonna be better at communicating. You're gonna really find more energy when you teach group exercise. But the main thing is that you're gonna be exposed to a lot of people, and they're gonna be exposed to you. In Group X, you might teach 20, 30, 50 people. Now, all of a sudden, you're gonna have people at the gym approaching you to train, and you're not gonna have to go out and approach them because they're already gonna get to know you through your group exercise. I can't tell you how many group exercise instructors I know just get clients all day long without really trying to attack those people just by teaching great group exercise classes.